Hi, welcome to Math on Monday, April 20. Today on your assignment, you will see it says Metric Conversion Review. It's mixed practice, which means we're going to take length and volume and mass, and we're going to put it all together today. And so I have a very different looking chart in that it doesn't have any units on it. It is what we might call a generic chart that you could use for meters, liters, or grams. It has the same prefixes. We're still going powers of 10, tenths, hundredths, thousands. Everything is the same as before, except that I did not plug a unit in because we're going to use this same chart for length, volume, and mass. So when you move over here, let's say to the deca something, I have a blank right there. It's because depending on which unit it is, it could be a deca meter, deca liter, or deca gram. Same is true for this one, or really all of them. You could fill in the M, L, or G and make this centimeter, centiliter, centigram. So let's get started with some example problems below. Remember, it's all about the decimal and shifting the decimal across the same direction and number of moves that you do on your chart. 15 centimeters is my starting, so I'm going to go to centi and imagine the M here. And to go to meters is 2 hops to the left, which means my decimal point, which is behind the 15, goes 2 places to the left, and I would type my answer 0.15. 39 centiliters, this time to liters, 2 to the left. I take my decimal here, 2 places to the left, and again 0.39. A reminder that when we have a decimal point in front of a number, we like to put this 0 in front of it to draw attention to that decimal point. Here we have 89 centigrams to grams. We know by now that it's 2 places to the left, 0.89. Next row, 4 tenths of a meter to centimeters. This time I move it 2 places to the right. So it would be, let's see, 4, 0, 0, right? It was in front of the 4, 1, 2. Oh, did you catch me? You see what I have to do? I have to take away a 0. 2 places to the right, 1, 2 would be behind this 0. 849 liters to centiliters, 2 places to the right. This is my decimal point behind the 9. It's invisible. 2 places to the right, 04900. I put my comma in 3 places from the back. 84,900 centiliters. 667 thousandths of a gram to centigram. 1, 2. My decimal point will move 2 places to between the 6 and the 7. So it would mean 66.7 centigrams. Next row, 538 millimeters to meters would be 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So that would mean 1, 2, 3 places. I need it before the 5. 538 thousandths of a meter. Let's move this guy over. 99 milligrams, 1, 2, 3 to the right. In order to move this one 3 to the right, I will need a placeholder 0, 0.099. 87 milliliters to liters, 3 places to the left. Again, I need a placeholder 0 to hold it 3 places to the left. And my final row, 60 and 4 tenths of a centiliter to milliliters is 1 spot to the right. So I get to move that decimal 1 spot to the right, 604 milliliters. Centigrams to grams is 2 places to the left. So this decimal point moves 2 places to between the 6 and the 7. 6.712. We would say that 6 and 712 grams. And our final problem, we have 6,431 centimeters to meters is 2 places to the left, 1, 2. So we will do 64.31, 64 and 31 hundredths of a meter. Remember, when you're doing your assignment, take notice of what unit you're starting at and which unit you're moving to so you know your direction. And if you ever get stuck or forget, feel free to come back and rewatch this video.